In this video, we'll discuss Edit menu and its items. To undo the last operation, click corresponding menu item. To get back last operation, click Redo menu item. To duplicate graphical object, select it and click Duplicate menu item. To cut selected object, click corresponding menu item. To copy object and place it into the clipboard, select object you want to copy and choose Copy menu item. To paste object from the clipboard, choose corresponding menu item. To delete selected object, choose Erase menu item. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask us by email or in our forum.